Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you today. I've got a new surprise I'm so excited about. Something from my YS640 here. This is something really cool. I'm sure y'all have heard of KZL Fabrications, the people who made my drip protector right there for the Yoder. These people make super high-end, really good accessories for Yoder smokers. Mainly, they even make a cart one day. Maybe I'll get, look, let me show y'all what I got here. This thing is so cool. I put my glove on right now. I'm kind of seasoning it. Right now, going through a little process. But let me zoom y'all in here just a bit. What we have got is the sliding shelf. Look at that. With that beautiful, look at the steel they've got in there. And it's just got the little hole, so it's not the expanded metal. For those of you who don't like expanded metal, because you think it hangs up on the pole or whatnot, let me show you what we got here. Show you how it operates. So this little slides out perfect right there, so you can doctor on your meats and everything like that. Or full with stuff. If you got main thing, if you got stuff on the top shelf, you can pull this out and get to your bottom. They make a sliding top shelf too, I believe. I gotta get that bad boy one day. But y'all, look at this. This centerpiece, I can't grab it right now, it's hot, but it pops right out. You can put your grill grates there for your steaks. But this thing is awesome. But what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking some duck fat spray, and I'm using it to just season this bad boy. Just get some of that spray down on there. Get me a little paper towel every 30-45 minutes or so, and just kind of just rubbing this down, just getting a good seasoning on it. But y'all, I am so pumped about this sliding shelf from KZL Fab. I'll put a link in the description box for you, but I tell you what, this thing is cool. It's gonna be so much better than just having normal grates in there. Thank y'all so much. Y'all take care. I'll be doing some more videos for you here real soon.